Welcome to 762 Gun Racks. In this video I will go over the features and assembly of the Staggered table rack. This rack comes in several sizes. The one pictured here is a 6-notch. A 5-notch and 4-notch are also available. One thing to notice when assembling the rack is that the two side panels are different heights with 1 1/4 inch difference. This is to allow it to be assembled either direction so that the muzzles face right or left. Assembly is very simple and straightforward. Take the cross brace and place one end through the hole in the bracket and place one of the washers and one of the wing nuts on the threaded rod and tighten it finger tight. Place the other stud through the other end panel and repeat the process. Once both end panels are in place, tighten the two wing nuts. Your rack is now ready to use to display long guns of all types. To purchase this and many other types of gun racks, click the link here or in the description. Thank you.